Are you thinking about painting your concrete floor? Before you do, call us for a free consultation. We specialize in grinding, refining, honing, and polishing concrete surfaces. We believe that through the refinement process, you're able to achieve your longest lasting floor, which, if we're honest, is what everyone wants. A long-lasting, maintenance-friendly floor. Unlike topical products that can be applied, polished concrete has to be ground through multiple grinding steps to achieve any sort of shine. It's not just a sealant, but a more efficient and environmentally friendly solution for your home. Once polished, we can then apply transparent dyes that absorb into the concrete surface, or we can leave it the color that it is. Make your business or home stand out for years to come. No two floors will ever be the same. We offer long-lasting flooring concepts that are both beautiful and durable. The polished elegance and beauty of marble and granite without the expense.
So the saying goes, friends don't let friends paint their concrete floors.